If you've got a lifted Tacoma like this one, or you're thinking about lifting your Tacoma, you don't want to scroll past this. I'm going to install a carrier bearing drop kit from torchoffroad.com on this Tacoma. And what that does is take some of the pressure off of the carrier bearing so it wears even, and the universal joints, because when the frame goes up and the suspension stays down, that kind of gets the drive line out of the line. So a quick look at the carrier bearing drop kit. It comes with 2 new bolts, 2 new washers, 2 new lock washers, and it comes in with these 2 spacers. The only tools that you need to install it are a 14mm socket, a 16mm socket, and a ratchet. The flashlight and torque wrench comes in handy. And always remember safety first. Park your truck on the level surface, shock the wheels, and use jack stands if you jack it up. So here's the section we're looking for. Here's our carrier bearing, and there's our 2 bolts, one on each side, that we've got to loosen up. So at this time, we're going to loosen these 14mm bolts. Very important to not take them all the way out. As we loosen up the right-hand side, we're going to let the left-hand side hold everything together. At this time, it's all right to go ahead and remove the right side bolt completely. So I've got the spacer. We can just lay that right there on top. So we're going to go bolt, lock washer, washer, and then just ease it up through that spacer and find that hole and get it started. Now that that's started, you can use the 16mm socket and ratchet to snug it up, but don't tighten it. Now we want to switch back to the 14mm socket and take the driver's side off till it's completely loose. The passenger side holds everything together. We're going to take our bolt, put on our lock washer, put on our flat washer, and then we've got our spacer. We just ease it up in here, start our bolt through it, and then run it right back up and get it started right back in. And now all we have to do is snug this bolt up with the 16mm socket. And ideally, you want to use a torque wrench, set it to 42 foot-pounds if you're using spacers, and tighten up the carrier bearing. That's what it looks like, all torqued down. So that's a 15-minute fix, guys. Real quick, doesn't take very long. Check it out at torchoffroad.com.
Shop now at torchoffroad.com.